Good evening, ladies and gents. Welcome to another video brought to you by Total Control Traders. I wanted to make a short and simple video just to thank all of you for watching, subscribing, and sharing our channel as we reach 200 subscribers, or over now, a little bit over 204. Now, when YouTube mentioned, I got an email something about from the creators that the first 100 subscribers are going to be the easiest, and then going forward you should see a slowdown. I wonder what that was going to be like. And aside from the couple months that we took off here, it did really slow down. Aside from the fact we are not doing any marketing, so from that perspective, wanted to make sure a huge thank you goes out to each and every one of you for watching and subscribing to our channel, not to mention sharing our channel. As part of the value add that for our dedicated subscribers such as yourself, going forward you should be able to change our video quality from 1080 pixel 30 frames per second to upwards of 1440 pixels 60 frames per second. And that should really help for those of you that are watching on smaller screens to notice the prices that as we discuss charts, or notice the trends a lot easier. Also, instead of our normal weekend ticker reviews, we will be starting a brand new series. We're going to call it Weekly Stock Picks. So instead of the big difference is, instead of us going through the tickers together to find what is most notable, what is good setups, I will be going through the charts myself, spending the time looking out for whatever setups are out there, what I like the most, and then summarize it. So instead of a recap, this video itself will just purely be a recap for you guys. Make it simple, short, effective. So for those of you that don't have time to watch our weekday videos, all you need to do, watch the weekly stock pick, and that should summarize a lot of things for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy, and again, a huge thank you to all of your supports. I will see you guys in the next video.